you have to prepare for UPSC Civil Services examination, we have 4-layer program for the preparation, that is from beginning of the level. So first level, that is of, we are calling that as orientation program. So orientation program is of 2 hours where we are going to discuss about the scope and then how to prepare for this UPSC Civil Services examination. After that, many students may get encouragement or some students may have doubt. For all of you, we have another session, that is 3 days workshop for this preparation. 3 days workshop is charged part where we have to pay rupees 500 inclusive of GST. So totally you have to pay 500 rupees for this 3 days workshop. Workshop will start at 4 p.m. and end at 8:30 p.m. There will be 2 sessions, 4 to 6. Then half hour gap is there, that is 6 to 6:30, and after 6:30 we are again starting out till 8:30. So like that, total 4 hours a day. So in 3 days we have total 12 hours program. Out of that, last session, that is on the last day, 6:30 to 8:30, there will be a small test, whatever we have discussed in this topic. So on that, total previous 4 sessions and last day's 1 session. So that is total on 5 sessions we have a small test and analysis of that test also immediately. So this is total, we are saying 3 days program, that is by paying rupees 500. The program will be conducted at same venue, address is here in front of you. After that, you have to appear for preparatory batch. Preparatory batch is of total 1 month duration, more precisely 25 days, 2 hours per day, like that 25 days, that is total duration. Now in this 50 hours minimum, may be possible few hours may get extended, but in that we are going to discuss fundamentals of physics, chemistry, biology, environmental science, history, geography, political science, economics, simple arithmetics, data interpretation, Indian polity, and sort of logical reasoning and analytical reasoning. So all these things we are going to complete in 50 hours basic program that will have 2 practice tests during the course and last final test after the course. Total fees 5,000 rupees inclusive of 18% GST. So this will be there from 1 month batch, and then you can join the actual coaching. The actual coaching is there total, we are saying 1 academic year program is there, where in terms of hours we have to finish out whatever the topic is there, that is for prelim examination, that is in 500 hours minimum. That is inclusive of 50 unit tests and 3 prelims, everything with analysis. Medium of instruction, English medium, but on requirement we can use the language Marathi as well as Hindi if students are not able to understand a particular topic in English. Students may discuss with us in English, Hindi or Marathi. So like that program is there, that is total 1 academic year's program, or rather I should say 500 hours program. So here in this description of this video, link of e-brochures and everything, whatever the important links are there, they are shared in this part, as well as we can provide you free backup of video lectures. That link is also there in the description of this video. So we can prepare for UPSC Civil Services examination from this Savarkar IAS study circle. Thanks for observing this video.